Right, it's video time and an unboxing. This makes like number 3 I've done now, I think. This one was expected, however, about, I don't know, 5 months ago, it was in January or February, I entered the Keysight Wave 2020 contest, and much to my tremendous surprise, I won this. And the only thing I've ever won in my life is maybe $10 or so on a scratch and win a package of licorice and 2 6-packs of Coke, so a couple of $1,000 oscilloscope is, yeah. So, unlike what Dave says where you don't turn it on, you take it apart, in this case, we're not taking it apart, we're unboxing it. Yeah, I know. Lame knife, lame accent. Alright, let's go. It's certainly well packaged. Lots of industrial plastic wrap, saran wrap if you will. This came through the mail, so I have no clue what condition it's going to be inside, but we will find out. There's the Keysight Technologies name, so let's see what's in here. Dave, I need one of your knives. Alright, let's see. Package. It says power cord. Printed paper. We'll look at it later, just like Dave does. Wires. Certificate of calibration. So we have here a Keysight DSOX1204G digital storage oscilloscope, 200 megabit hertz, 2 gig second samples. So there we have it. I am not going to really do a review of this. However, I will set it up and we'll take a look at it running, because I really would like to produce a Bode plot, as I've sometimes heard it referred to. So we'll cut out right now while I plug it in. Right, it's plugged in. Let's power it on. Infinivision with Megazoom 4 technology, Keysight technology. Booting. 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 Booted. Let's hook up a probe to it. Let's see what we get. I am tiny Ziploc bag challenged. Let's put that down. I think there we go. There we go. Okay, so alright, we've got a trisone here. Let's turn that down. Oh, way off the screen there. I haven't got my glasses on. Hang on a second. There we go. I've got a little bit of learning to do yet, but hey. And there we have it. A square wave. But it's working now. So the next thing to do is hook it up and get my bowed plot, which I've wanted to do for a while now. That's it. So I was going to wait till tomorrow to do this video, but I couldn't help myself. So here's the bowed plot, otherwise known as a frequency response analysis. We go into analysis. I've already set it up, so let's do the run right now. And there we have it. Run complete. And the one that I'm interested in is this blue line right here. Now my sweep went from about 100 Hertz to just shy of 2 megahertz. And this was pretty much what LT Spice told me to expect, except for this right down here. Of course, LT Spice expects all of your solder joints and all of your component values to be absolutely perfect, and that just doesn't happen. Well, what was I doing a bode plot of? Let's have a look. It's this beast right here, and that is a brute force line filter for my ham radio equipment. I live at the corner of Hydro Hell and cheap switching wall wart purgatory, and so this is meant to hopefully filter some of the crap out of the line. Of course, it won't get the things that come out of the air, and the other thing is it's meant to block some stuff going back down the line cord from the radio equipment. I live in an apartment. I don't want to choke off my neighbors. But there you have it. I think we have a successful test of the Keysight DSOX1204G.